how's about an unboxing? Right here we have a package, and inside said package, once I can get it open, we have a set of wheels. These right here are a set of the new Boardy Cakes 44mm fat bunts. They're a little bit wider, definitely wider than the 42s. I have those on my board right now, and I'm gonna be making a review on these wheels pretty soon. I've been scanning them for like a month. They're doing quite well. I'm gonna try the 44s. Slightly larger than the 42s, but not by much. I think I'm gonna toss these on my board real soon here, actually, because I really want to try these. It's a little bit of a different hardness than what the 42s are. If I'm not mistaken, the 42s are a let's see, 42mm. Can't really make it out on that one. I'm trying to remember what hardness they were. I think they were a 102A. No, they're a 101A. I see it on that one. They're a 101A, and these ones are a 103A. Now, the Boardy Cakes 42mm 101A, they are not too hard. Like a 101A, that comes out to like a 81B. So, I mean, it's a pretty hard wheel. But they don't have a clattery feel. They feel pretty smooth. They roll smoothly. They feel kind of soft, but they don't slide like a soft wheel. They slide like a hard wheel. They slide pretty good. Now these are the 44s. Do a little side-by-side size comparison. Not much of a difference, but what I do notice is it seems to me like the 44s, let's see if I can, if I only have my tool in my back pocket, I could just take a wheel off real quick. But if I turn it this way here, you can see it has a little bit of a difference in shape, a little bit. And the 44s are definitely wider. It seems like they have a little bit more of a lip on them, I think, than what it appears to be like. Not too much of a lip, but a little bit. That should help with locking in the grinds. That's the only thing I notice. That's the downside to this size wheel, is it's really hard. It makes it a little complicated to stay locked into a grind. Although I've noticed on some ledges it's easier than on others. On transition, it's surprisingly good. It stays in decently. But of course I have them paired with a set of Ace 33, or not the 33s, but the 03s, the lows. And they're doing pretty good. I've yet to flat spot the 42mm. And I've been skating them on the driveway actually quite regularly, and they have yet to flat spot. In my driveway, it flat spots everything. So they are holding up quite well, I would say. And I'd recommend giving them a try. You can find them on Instagram at Boardy Cakes. Was it Boardy Cakes Wheels? I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll try to see if I can post a link in the description. I'm trying to remember how to copy links from Instagram, if I can figure it out. Either that, or I'll put their @ in the description. Yeah, I'll just put it in the description. But I'm going to try these out and see how they skate. And these ones are doing quite well. I like them quite a bit. Lowers my board a lot, so it makes flip tricks nice and easy. That looks like a nice wheel right there. The 44, just almost, I have small hands though, but just about. So there's me some footage with those. Got a few clips, actually, like, yeah, just a couple clips yesterday, I think. Trying to get some more, and we will see how they do.